me to the moon and let I love.
Take it.
You won't have time to go home.
Doesn't matter, I'll take it.
Sorry, sir. Please step this way.
I'm a gold member, you know.
Hippos. That far?
Yeah.
Well, Cora?
No, cool, right? And I got a new battery for Ben. Who's doing something?
No need up!
What are you gonna do about it?
Northeastern 1.
Oh, that senior officer had it.
Airliner, now you're in that seat, when? Of course you should be in.
What's up?
Take a guess what I...
Way out of your league. It's 9. Hate to break it to you, but
让我们差点输了。
那咱们就不
看。
swim. There's a pool on the plane?
Let's get the captain back here.
Roger.
You okay, honey? Yeah, I'm fine.
On the international airport.
Excuse me.
请你现在坐下。
They're gone.
Don't tell me what's broken. Tell me
Confirmed.
Dude, an airspeed call-outs every 1,000 feet.
3,000 tip, we're gonna cartwheel.
And if I hit the water 2 feet, 170.
Wake up, bitch.
You okay?
Anybody? Hello?
Guys, we have to move.
Die.
Get out, both of you. Lock the door, Flotsam.
I'm taking your leg. Confirmed. Go home.
Let me
Guilty beacon.
grandmother.
In several hours.
Yes, okay? Trust me. Just swim, sweetheart.
I can swim.
Okay.
The DLT isn't working, right?
Wait, the shoes, the shoes. Stop!
That's terrible. Flying with your family?
My mommy.
We have to move back. Guys! Take some weight off.
The kids are...
Else coming?
Everyone's going. Yeah. You wanna live?
100?
Pretty close.
Bad.
You in this shitty airline?
Look, you're at
Souls on this flight.
raft. Everybody, help!
Daddy!
I'm the captain. It's my plan. Can't even pilot a raft. He hit me.
Doing ever since Bill died.
Please!
You stay strong, hotshot.
You got kids? Whatever it takes.
My dear little Bella.
Says it.
Hey, Cora. My son is sat on there, on the right.
Flares and putting equipment in the water.
They stop! Paddles. We don't have no paddles. Strong.
Well, the other raft's nearly there.
Water's rising, Cora.
Wrong way, dumbass. To the boat.
Hatchet, your phone?
For everything you've done for us. Thank you.
Where's my brother? She's waiting for me. Going home.